In case you are wondering if you read that correctly, yes, you did. Really? Sweet potato pancakes? Really? Well, hello. I'm Raxon Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how I made the sweet potato pancakes. Today, I'll be using the orange sweet potato. So you want to start by peeling your potatoes. I find that peeling potatoes with potato peeler is kind of easy. It's easier than using the knife, and the orange sweet potato has less starch. Now bring your sweet potato to a boiling pot for like 5 minutes. Strain that out. Do not rinse it. Just let it cool down. Then you want to blend your sweet potato. Bring in cooker oats, eggs, and water. That's all. Then you blend it into a smooth paste like so. This is the consistency you should be looking for. Not too runny and not too thick. Alrighty, to your pan, make sure you grease it. Bring in your mix and flip. And let's see what that looks like after so many. Alrighty guys, now it was time to dig in. So I just added butter on top, and look at how that butter is gliding. And oh, sugar, we brought in honey because it is about to go down. Do not forget, take a picture. And I love to add crushed nuts and blueberry. Now, let's not forget that sweet potato has loads of benefits. Let me share that with you. I hear that red sweet potatoes are the healthiest. The white sweet potatoes has a slightly more crumbly and dry texture, high in starch. The orange one is less sweet in flavor. It has more nutrients than the white potato, making it a healthier version or option, even though both are really healthy. This is just me continuing in the digging in. Alrighty, potatoes contain minerals, vitamins, fiber, rich in vitamin C. It may improve your blood sugar levels. You want to check with your doctors about this. It is naturally gluten-free. It is incredibly filling, which makes it a great option for weight loss diet. It contains rich sources of beta carotene, which benefits your eye, and with the ability to reduce cancer risk. You heard me. I was just having fun with this video. Carotene, you may be wondering, is a compound that gives coloring to vegetables. Simple. But guess what? Your body converts it to vitamin A. I was just having fun behind the scene, harassing everybody that was there. Oh, guys, I had an audience. So this is a shout out to my team that made this video possible, and not forgetting you that is watching. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you will be trying this recipe. And please share this video. It is a lovely recipe, and it will just show that I'm doing a great job. Alrighty guys, if you have subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't, please consider subscribing. There is a whole lot more on this channel. Alrighty, guys. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Follow for more.